Ate naman.
Maluwin ba? Ang kulit na tingin. Ang kulit niya. Parang ang elf.
Good morning, everyone. Today, I'm going to tell a story about the dwarf's bunny. Once during a couple, Densho and Tona is in the Cruz, Manila. They had an innocent young servant called Tias. They often heard Tias talking to someone. Who is he talking to? Tona asked while listening to Tias. Nothing. He's getting crazy because you haven't eaten breakfast yet. Ha ha ha. Then she said, but her big surprise when someone talked Tias back. They thought that Tias may be befriended with a dwarf. Dwarfs in those days are believed to guard the earth.
Bigyan mo niya.
That's so. We're gonna be rich.
Alam mo,
Said the little cat. One night, when the couple was about to sleep, they heard a small voice and the clinking of noise inside the ass bedroom. When they came in to see what's happening, they saw a dwarf dropping coins inside the ass conda. John to catch the dwarf, but then the dwarf was really fast and escaped. Since that night, the couple never let Tias leave the house ever again. One morning, when Nesha was about to leave the house, Tias asked him if he could buy him a soap. Then he gave Nesha a coin. Then she grabbed the coin and left the house. When he came back, he gave Tias a soap.
Ano sa
Tias got the soap and went to his bedroom. When he opened it, he saw writing inside it. Because he don't know how to read, he showed it to Mandesh. Then she was shocked. Congratulations, you won 700,000 pesos. Was written inside the box. It's nothing. It's nothing.
Nandyan mamaya.
The box inside his pocket. The couple was really happy and claimed the prize without even telling Tias. They kept the money inside their closet and never let Tias get it.
Lapit na matapos.
One night, and she was about to check her money inside her cabinet. He heard a small voice singing. He knew it was a dwarf! So he grabbed something and opened the door of the cabinet. Where is my money? Then she shouted. But then, and the dwarf was all gone. Tana heard her shouting. What's happening? What's happening? Tana asked. Our money. All gone. Then she said he was very frustrated. What money are you talking about? Tana asked. Then she keeps explaining again and again and again to Tana about the money. But then the money and the dwarf was really out of his mind. Tana thought that Densho was really crazy. So she
Sino kayo
brought
manalo? Si
him to
Mika
the
o si
doctor.
Nova?
Since that happened, yes,
Tingnan ko si Nova.
the greedy couple was rightfully punished by his little friend, the dwarf. And that's the end of the story.